What's going on YouTube? Zachary Kramer with Cool Cars for Sale, bringing you the coolest cars for sale on the internet. Quick update for the E46 M3. I'm gonna get window tints today and I'm gonna film as much as I can. I don't really know the guy, so we'll find out if he's good or not. Going with ceramic window tints. Try to keep out as much heat as I can, New Jersey hot summers, and we'll go from there. All right, let's do it. We're going to do a quick demonstration of the difference between a ceramic tint and a standard tint, just so you guys know why ceramics are a lot better.
Hand right here. That's a heat lump. You can feel the heat, right?
Oh yeah, that's hot.
Okay, very good.
Jesus.
So this is the regular one. Put your hand close. You feel the heat, right?
It's a little less, but yeah, yes, I feel it.
But you still can feel it.
Yeah, it's
that's the regular one.
Pretty hot.
Yeah. And this is the ceramic. Put your hand.
What?
Yeah.
How is that possible?
Yes, that's the difference.
I barely feel anything.
Yes, you don't feel, yes. So that's what it is, yes. And
that's crazy.
I'll show you on the numbers.
Oh yeah, there's a thermometer. This is the regular?
The regular one.
Okay.
I'll show you. You see, that's 100%. That's the light.
Okay.
The visibility light. Okay, look. That's about 18%.
Okay.
And how much UV is rejecting? 99.9. That's the UV.
Yeah.
But you see IRR.
Yep.
That's how much heat is being rejected.
Okay.
Only 10. This is only 10%.
Okay.
All right. 99% UV protection, but the VLT is 18, 20%. Yeah. And then how much it is rejected?
99 UV, that's pretty good.
Yes.
That's a good film.
Yes, that's a good film, but
this is...
compared to the heat, that's a piece of the tint that I put on the car.
So this is the ceramic now.
That's the ceramic. Maybe like this, that way you'll see the numbers. See? 17, wow. Okay. That's...
Wow.
That's a UV, 98.6, and that's how much heat is being rejected.
That's like...
The other one was 10%, but this one is 87%.
Wow.
So that's the big difference.
Geez, and you can really feel the difference. Yes. That's crazy.
Once you put it physically, you see the
crazy.
Difference.
This thing is hot too. Oh, that's like, I can feel it from here. Yes. That's hot.
That's how much heat you...
I don't think the sun's gonna get that hot. So first you prep the tint from the outside to make the shape.
Yes, and then you put it inside.
Then you put it on the inside.
Yes.
He has a special knife so he doesn't scratch the glass. Pretty cool. Cool heat gun. First you want to clean the windshield. So something very unique about my car is all the windows, like the rear windshield and the front windshield and all the side glass, which I'll get to right now. Front windshield. You can see there, it's all original. So I hope I don't get any rock chips in this thing, and that's part of the reason why I'm actually going to be tinting the front windshield. I'm going to be doing a clear tint, so it's not illegal, but you know, it will prevent it from cracking, and it will also help get rid of the excess heat from outside. Here in Jersey, we have pretty hot summers, believe it or not. Quick tip for you guys, if you have a front and rear dash cam, you will have to remove it so that the tints can go on flush. You can put it back on in a couple days after the tint dries, but for proper installation of the tints, you're going to want to remove your front and rear dash cams. Oh, well, only the front if you're doing the front windshield like I am. If you're wondering what dash cam I have, it's the Blackview DR900 4K front and rear camera. It's already saved me a few times. If you know, my E46 got hit by a semi-truck last summer. Whole thing was on video. The driver claimed that I cut him off, but then I showed the police officer the video, and you could clearly see I was in the lane the whole time. So definitely 100%, all of you need a dash cam. Wow. It almost looks like a sunglasses lens rather than a traditional window tint lens. It's very cool. Highly recommend ceramic film to anyone that is going to keep their car more than 3 years. For those of you that live in Jersey and you're wondering about the law of window tints, you're allowed to have any % window tint in the rear windows. The front 2 passenger and driver side windows are not allowed to be tinted, nor is the windshield. So the window tints are on. They look absolutely amazing, not too dark at all. I went with a 25%, and I did 70% in the front, which is basically clear. I gotta say, looks amazing. It's gonna keep the heat out, and I'm very satisfied with his work. Super professional, very nice. He let me film, which was awesome. Pumped for you guys to see the video. And until next time, see you later.